Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth setting in our Realme phone. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you connect guys your Bluetooth speaker to your phone guys. You want to connect guys Bluetooth speaker, so guys you can connect. So friends, how can you connect your Bluetooth speaker? Friends, first of all guys you will have to come in guys your phone setting, and friends you can see guys your Bluetooth settings. So guys click on your Bluetooth setting. So friends, now you can see guys your Bluetooth settings. So we will on it, and guys first of all guys we will on our Bluetooth speaker. And friends, in your Bluetooth speaker guys you can see guys this Bluetooth option. So guys you will have to press also guys, and guys you can see this volume button. And guys you want to pick up call, so guys you can pick up call from here. So guys now you can see guys your speaker name. So I will click on speaker name to connect guys. We will have to wait here. So guys it will connect automatic, and guys you can say in use for calls and media playback. So guys you can use guys for also call guys, you want to pick up call, you can pick up call here from. So guys now you can use guys your Bluetooth speaker with your Samsung guys Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will on to next video. Bye bye friends.